sensational revelation by Sikkim Chief Minister Pawan Chamling. State kept in the dark by the centre on the Doklam standoff with China. Speaking to media in Sikkim capital Gangtok, Chamling revealed that even during such tense times, whatever information the government had about the standoff was from television and newspapers. Troops of India and China were locked in a 73-day standoff in Doklam last year after the Indian side stopped building of a road in a disputed area by the Chinese army. Chamling said there was a fierce psychosis among the people of Sikkim during the Doklam standoff, and the fact that the centre did not share information on the issue did not help things. However, Chamling's remark drew flack from the opposition Sikkim Krantikari Morcha. The SKM said Chamling's statement was unbefitting of a chief minister from a border state and raised a question mark on the role of the army.
हमारा कंसर्न सीमित है। एक मुख्यमंत्री हो के और नेशनल न्यूज़पेपर जिसका रीडर सिर्फ देश में नहीं है बाहर भी है, जिसका वेबसाइट सिर्फ देश में नहीं बाहर भी देखते हैं, नेशनल मीडिया को बुला के देश के सुरक्षा एजेंसी के ऊपर प्रश्न उठा के ऐसा बात क्यों कर रहा है? हम इसका विरोध कर रहे हैं, इसलिए विरोध कर रहे हैं, ये देश के लिए बहुत खतरनाक पूरा है।
Spokesperson of SKM Jacob Khaling argued that the Constitution of India clearly defines the roles of the central and state governments, and whatever the centre did under the circumstances in Doklam was in the best interest of the nation.
और उसको ये बैक करना चाहिए और देश हित में माफ मांगना चाहिए। और हम तो इतना भी मांग करेंगे कि केंद्र सरकार का जांच एजेंसी, सुरक्षा एजेंसी को इस वक्तव्य के ऊपर जांच करना चाहिए और जांच करके इसका इन फ्यूचर में क्या असर पड़ेगा, देश के विपरीत क्या असर पड़ेगा, उसको अभी मिटाना है, क्योंकि इस तरह खतरा में देश और देशवासी नहीं जी सकते।
The SKM also demanded that Chamling withdraws his statement, which potentially gives China a chance to meddle with the internal matters of India. Chamling's remark clearly targeted at the centre ahead of the 2019 polls hints at a growing rift between the SDF, which is a part of the NEDA, and the BJP. It will be, however, interesting to see the centre's response, if any, to the entire row. With inputs from Sujal Pradhan, Bureau Report, Northeast Live.